Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first open any browsers to search box to type www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the driver. After that you can see this is search button and then enter B760M space D3H space DDR4 and then hit enter. Then click on the product. The name of the title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is you require Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system driver installations same. Okay. So first this is audio driver. You can see this is 65 MB and this is download. So when you click to download icon, it is when click to download icon and it will start downloading. So you can see this is 165 the audio driver and then open it. So after that double click. Then click on yes. Now this is installing, you will start it. So if it is done automatically means close it. So first this is extract. So then click on yes. After that you can see this is extracting. This is installing. So it will close automatically means it is installed like that and then close it. Chipset. So serial driver and click to download. It will start downloading and just done it and double click to open. And then click on yes. Now this is extract first installed. And then close it. Intel INF installations, just click and click to download. And then open it. And then after that open. Then click to download, yes. and then it is for close means it is installed. Then LAN driver, then this is driver and click to download. Completed, then open it, then double click, then click on yes. Then it is done and close it. Then video driver. So guys, this is the graphic card and click to download. When you click to download and then after that open officially locations and then install it. Thank you. Then restart your system.